everybody. You will not guess where I am. I am somewhere in Cameroon, in a city known as Buea, way out in an area known as, where is this?
Soppo.
Yes. Soppo Likoko. And I'm here visiting my brother and my sister-in-law's plot or farm or garden. So I'm going to take you around and show you how farming or gardening in Africa looks like versus gardening in the USA. So let's do a tour.
Yes.
Ah, look guys, this is ugu.
Yes.
This is the original, yeah.
We bought and just made this one. So
Okay.
We decided to blend it so that we can...
We are at Laura and Laye's garden or farm. This is farming in Cameroon. So, see, this is original. This is what garden huckleberry, right?
Yes.
But this is weed. What is this other thing?
Yeah,
It's more njamsu. Okay.
We don't know. We just nursed. It was.
You nursed. This one was transplanted.
Yeah,
I can
that
tell.
one was
Then this
transplanted.
was nursed.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was transplanted just 2 weeks ago.
Okay. And then they have that one lone okong, obong or ugu over there. That one.
So this bridge is all okong.
Okay.
So this one
Is that the one you showed me the picture of? Somebody showed me some seeds.
oh, the seeds.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. It's already coming out.
Yeah, this is another one here.
Because to get okong to germinate now where we are. Oh my goodness. It's a nightmare.
Next time.
Okay. See, I see. Where is it? Okay. See, that's Nigerians were like, ugu. I'm like, what are you guys talking about? Then they said okong. I said, we have okong.
I'm Jakatu.
Okay. Garden eggs over there. And then what do we have here? Water leaf and peppers. So these are, we call these ridges, but the earth mounds. That's how we do our own gardening in Cameroon. All of you guys that were asking me, how is gardening in Cameroon different? Nobody has to buy soil. This is volcanic soil, guys, like from the mountain. It's super rich in nutrients. You don't have to do anything. Look. Perfect for gardening. What? Oh, this reminds me, Mommy, I need more. Is this sweet potatoes? I need sweet potato slips. I need this. I don't know how I go do, but I must carry and go. I almost forgot. This is garden, sweet potatoes. Yes. Yeah, this is sweet potatoes. Cameroon sweet potatoes. First of all, I want you to notice the rocks. There are huge rocks and stones everywhere. Stones. So making ridges, digging and making these ridges, I can already tell that it was a nightmare. And then Buea is in like a volcanic area. There's a mountain, but it's covered up with clouds today. So the soil is extremely rich in nutrients. So Laura has njamsu growing here. That's the njamsu over there. Njamsu, which is the garden huckleberry. The one, which one? I have Bamenda one. This has to be the Bamenda one because the leaves are very tiny. Yeah. She also has okong, obong, garden eggs, some sweet potatoes. This is a guava tree. Has to be native guavas. These are the other people that I came with. I'm not here by myself. And the neighbors have some corn. One of our plant corn. Okay. Is this hole for yam? Okay. So they're going to plant plantains. Where are the suckers? Okay, yeah. These are plantain suckers. So they're going to plant plantains in these holes. When I don't plant cassava or any other kind of thing already. Okay. So the plantains are gonna go where? In the holes? Okay. Not bananas. Okay. Coconut. Coconut. What do we have in these bags? Cow, chicken manure. Okay. Now. Okay. 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 Yeah, absolutely. So this place had trees, and you had to cut the trees down or anything like that? Or no? Okay. Okay. Yeah, they trust Buea with rocks, man. And these cocoyams that nobody usually has to plant. Sometimes the cocoyams just came from nowhere. Yeah. That's I call it cocoyams, or put it's not the cocoyams.
No, it is.
So the one they different from that way they make actually. And it has a different, like this one is different from, it's like this species right here. Some people say this is different from that. That is cocoa. Cocoa is, I'm like, someone be talking some stupid thing where I don't even know wait to talk about. Macabo is this one.
They even coconut there anyway.
You have already planted the cassava. Okay. So there's cassava over here. Cassava is tapioca. Tapioca root. Yeah. Those are the cassava. Is propagated by stems. Stem propagation.
If you are passing in Bakwe town, those houses you see, those are the houses.
Really?
Those people that come out in Bakwe town.
So children leave from here, go to school there, and then just come back.
Yeah.
So this is Bakwe town?
Yes.
Then that's Sampid.
If we're coming on foot, we'll come like that.
Okay.
7 minutes.
My goodness. Then the place is really accessible from everywhere, because this is Moliko.
Yes.
That's Moliko. That's small Soppo and Tole. This is it's really in the middle.
We call it now at the center.
This is the guava tree. Let's see if we can find some ripe ones. You want to know why ripe? Guava. Let's go. Bangsu with the bangsu. It's a little bit tart. But just for I guess nobody planted this. Who knows how long it's been here? Now how would I do for the one for start time? It needs to be true. But if you don't even put it, you go see the
You don't need to put it beside the signal, all that. Then
yeah.
you go rubber.
It will wrap up. Yeah. It will find.
Yeah, and you hook that rope, save it, no evil.
Now so it need them. It go just climb for the tree.
Yes.
Now one come next time now this thing. Now do a pic.